Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I will show you how to fix your screen resolution automatically changing issue. So for example, in my Windows 10 PC I am using the full HD screen resolution. So now I try to open one of the minimized game, and after the few seconds I minimize this game. So by simply press Windows key plus capital M. But friends, now this time you can see my screen resolution is automatically changed. So if you like to fix this problem, just right click on your desktop and go to display settings and click to open display resolution. So here you can select the maximum of screen resolution, and this is recommended one, and select keep changes. So finally it goes to normal, but this is for temporary process. At same time, if you like to fix this problem in permanently, just follow me friends. So first of all, check your display adapter if it is updated to the new version or not. So by simply search device manager and click to expand this display adapters category, and here I install the Intel HD graphics driver. So now I try to update it. So you can follow my steps. And it starts to installing, so be patient. So once you check it and close all the windows. So next you can open your display settings and click on advanced scaling settings. So here you can take to enable this option. Let Windows try to fix apps so they are not blurry, and go back to the one step. So next you can click on advanced display settings. So here you can select the maximum refresh rate and click to save these changes. So next you can open your Windows Run and execute this command msconfig. So here you can select boot app and deselect this option boot lock, and also check it if you disable all the startup services. So finally don't forget to save these changes and also restart your Windows PC. So I hope after the restarting is completed, the screen resolution problem is fixed in permanently. So friends, if you have any doubts, just comment to me. So otherwise, just leave a one like. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.